Hello, I'm Jenny from Guangzhou from Vending. Let me introduce our automatic cotton candy machine for you. We have 31 cotton candy patterns and add one the bright box. And the bright box, it means have someone who have difficulty in choosing. And our machine is support the customization. You can customize your logo and the beautiful sticker patterns. And how do we to get a very beautiful cotton candy? You just need to choose your favorite cotton candy patterns and make a payment by card, cash, or coins. You and wait about 2 minutes. You will get a very beautiful cotton candy patterns. We can try the one. If you know more about our machine information, please come to contact us. Come to have a try.